Hey guys, welcome back to Marco Stealing Fans, and today, happy Halloween. I'm doing another Halloween video on the Lillycrest. I did do it last year, but I want to do another Halloween remake. So, but I won't show it spin down because this thing takes forever to spin down, but just enjoy the video. Here we go. This blade is sagging a bit. Let me show you it. See it? It's sagging. I don't know what's problem with this one's blade. Wait. Yeah, this one's like sagging. Look at it, it's so down compared to the other blade. I just realized that. Look, see? Look at the other blades. This one looks like it's sagging too. Let me spin it around. They all just look like they're sagging from the angle. Well, I'm still there. Whoops, I forgot to turn it on actually. Yeah, it's very windy out today. By the way, we had to get a new fence because half of that tree actually fell down on the fence. I don't think I should run this thing out in the wind. See, it's really windy out today. Oh, there's the TV. You can also see it right there. I mean, I love this fan. It's just super breezy. Will you hear that? Every time we're down here, we run this thing. But if we hang out down here during the winter, we're not gonna have this thing running. We're not. Here's a close view of the blades here. Love this fan a lot. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And happy Halloween and bye.